In today's video, we're taking a look at the Glide Gear TMP 100 Teleprompter, a prompter for DSLR and mirrorless cameras that uses a phone or tablet to reflect your script on your screen, so you don't have to worry about memorizing lines or looking down at your script to then look back at the camera and try to recite things by memory. This is my latest acquisition for recording videos on YouTube, and today we're doing a full unboxing and review so you can take a look at how this teleprompter works, what it has to offer, and should you consider getting one yourself versus getting something else like the Padcaster Parrot Teleprompter, which I also had the chance to try out. Affiliate links will be in the description if you want to check these items out, and with that being said, let's get into it. So a teleprompter is designed to help you read your script while still maintaining eye contact with the camera, and it helps speed up your recording process so you can avoid having to memorize your script. I personally struggle with recording my videos for YouTube because I tend to trip on my words a lot. I forget my lines, and what ends up happening most of the time is I get that case of deer in the headlights look where I look so spaced out because even though I'm looking at the camera, in the back of my mind I'm thinking, what am I supposed to be saying here? And what can easily be recorded in like 20 minutes usually ends up taking me hours sometimes. So while doing some research online, I found that some of my favorite creators use two of the most popular teleprompters out there, the Padcaster Parrot Teleprompter for $99 and the Glide Gear TMP 100, which is currently going for double the price at $199 at Amazon. So naturally, I wanted to save myself $100 and I got the Parrot Teleprompter first. I even did a quick little unboxing video on it because I wanted to make a review on it just like this one, but I was so disappointed with it that I just returned it that same day because one, the Parrot attaches itself to your lens, and if you use autofocus on your videos, the lens can start stuttering while the camera's trying to autofocus because of the weight of the Parrot Teleprompter and your phone, which means you can only use it on manual focus. And because my lens has a shallow depth of field, I use a Canon EOS RP with a 35mm f1.8 lens, and because I like to move around a lot when I shoot, I need that autofocus, so manual focus is not an option for me. And strike number two with the Parrot Teleprompter was that because the glass on the Parrot was so tiny, you can't use wide-angle lenses without getting some sort of vignetting on the shot, which makes it even worse if you use a full-frame sensor like I do. So that was enough restrictions on the Parrot Teleprompter for me to decide that maybe this prompter isn't the one for me. So I went with the Glide Gear TMP 100 instead, and in my humble opinion, no regrets. The TMP 100 has a much bigger glass and it lets you slide your camera as close as you want to the glass so you can adjust for the vignetting, and the camera goes on the teleprompter instead of the teleprompter going on the camera. The TMP 100 is built for DSLR and mirrorless cameras, though you can use it to record on your smartphone as well. So how you set it up is you basically mount the body of the teleprompter to your tripod using one of the many thread holes that it has underneath. Then you can attach the protective hood that has, for some reason they have this thing called a fitted camera sock. Oh, that's a name. After that, just screw your camera in, fit it with the majestic camera sock, and place your phone or tablet on the tray below, and you're ready to start recording. It also comes with this accessory mounting options in case you want to attach any lights or maybe a microphone to the sides, and it won't have any problem holding them up because honestly, I have to say that this thing is pretty solidly built. It's made of aluminum, and after comparing it with the Padcaster Parrot Teleprompter, which is made of basically plastic, I'm really happy I ended up with this prompter instead. It's definitely worth the price it's listed for. Once it's mounted, it can be collapsed and put back into its carry bag in case you need to take it somewhere, but I don't see myself moving it for my setup. If anything, I'd probably end up getting a second one and putting it over my other tripod somewhere back there. So how exactly does a teleprompter work, and does it affect the image quality of your video by using it? Well, a teleprompter uses a beam splitter glass, which is a special type of glass that reflects your script onto it without having your camera capture it, so it can make it seem like you're maintaining eye contact with the camera while you're still reading your script. So you get your recordings done faster and you have a more professional look by not having to do so many cuts in your video and having to memorize your lines. If you're wondering about any sort of loss in image quality for having the prompter in front of your lens, I personally didn't notice any difference in image quality when I was using it and testing it out. There are probably some differences to a microscopic degree, but it's so small that I didn't notice, and I feel like as long as you keep the glass clean, you shouldn't have any problems with image quality. I don't like to recommend gear to my viewers unless it's something I've gotten the chance to try it out for myself and get handsy with it, so I can confidently say, yes, this item's good, or no, this item sucks. And in this case, the Glide Gear TMP 100 Teleprompter is a yes, this item's definitely good. Check it out for yourself if you struggle with following your script and you want to cut down on recording times on your YouTube videos. I also left an affiliate link in my description so you can use it to check it out if you want, and if you end up buying it using that link, it'll support the channel at no additional cost to you. And that is all for this video. If you have any other questions about this item, feel free to leave them down in the comments down below so I can get the chance to respond. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more creator tips and possible future tech reviews. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys live.